girlies! Coming to you live from Cyprus. Just had a shower, as you can see. Been at the pool all day, the tan lines. And I just thought we'd do a little chatty get ready with me. Just for cutesies. The plan for tonight. Karaoke. Stop it! So we're going up to this bar that's like, I'm in northern Cyprus, so it's all kind of like mountainous. I'm using this Olay Total Effect 7-in-1 Day Cream. It's kind of shimmery. It's my mum's. It's kind of cutesy. Yeah, we're going up to this bar that is like in the mountains. It's not like a nice bar, but it's funny. They've got like pool table and darts, and it's just full of English people. But we are going to do karaoke, and this is our kind of like one night that we're kind of like doing something fun. So I'm just gonna do a get ready with me, with you girls, because I haven't seen you for a while. But what was I gonna say? I was gonna say something funny too. We've been playing this game that I made up, but it's not like that crazy. It's basically guess who. So one person has to pick a celebrity, but it could be anyone. It could be a fictional character. It could be like, you can do it with people you know. It's quite funny if you do it with people you know. But basically, the other people can only ask like yes or no questions, and they've got to figure out who it is. It's just a bit of a laugh, really. It's just a bit droll. And Max did one yesterday, and it was like one of Santa's reindeer, but not Blitz. No, it was Blitzen. It wasn't Rudolph. So like everyone was getting really confused because he said, "Oh, it's something that ordinarily can't fly, but this one can fly, but it doesn't have wings." We were all behoofed. Anyway, and then Mum did one. She did, what's his face? Oh, my nose looks come out. What's his name? Not Peter Parker. Robin Hood. Don't know where I got Peter Parker from. She did him, and me and Max took ages to get it because she just obviously wasn't giving us the right answers. So I think that was a spot of cheating from Mum, if you ask me. I don't know why, but my face like isn't tanning. Well, my body looks tan and then my face just looks pale as. Kind of stressful and not needed. So this little holiday is kind of just like our last summer hurrah, almost. Like my mum lives here. So Max and I just came up to see her. But it's you know, obviously like the last sort of summer hollybobs, because we're gonna go home and it's gonna be like end of September, like pretty much October. Where has the time gone? Do you know what I mean? Cray. And I think especially because I've been editing so many of my old travel vlogs recently, I'm like, oh my god, that was this year. Like I went to Costa Rica this year. So bizarre. How bizarre. The vibe I'm going for tonight is kind of like bronzed, just holiday, simple, cutesy. Just like kind of slaying, house down boots, like hottest person there, kind of vibes. I feel like my forehead's got really burnt, but I don't know how. So I've had a hat on. I didn't today, in all fairness. Snatched. One thing I'm really excited for when I get a job again and I have money, is to buy some nice new makeup. Can you guys give me recommendations of what is like good makeup to buy? Like mainly like skincare, because I have my go-to like mascara that I always use, but anything like brow pencils, stuff like that, I need recommendations for. So I'd super appreciate that. I'm falling out of my towel. Something else that I've realised recently, which is going to be of no interest to any of you, but you can suck it up and listen to it anyway. Me and my brother are the same person, but just like I'm a girl and he's a boy, obviously. To the point where earlier I said something and my mum went, "Who said that? You both sound really similar." Can that tractor suck a fat one? Shut up. I don't know who that's more insulting to, me or Max. I don't know why you wouldn't want to sound like me. Yeah. I love you, baby. Is everyone excited for like Halloween and Christmas and winter? I kind of am. I don't know whether it's because I've been travelling this year. So I've obviously been in like hot climates for the best part of the year. I am really excited for like Halloween, autumn, like winter, Christmas. I mean, like, come back to me when it is actually that time and it's like cold and raining and everything. But, sorry, I need to... I'm very tight. Yeah, but I'm like, the thought of it, it's just so exciting. So exciting. Do I need to put more mascara on? I don't think so. Might put a bit more on. What's wrong with it? I'll put one of those weird accent. Yeah, what song should I sing at karaoke, guys? Comment down below. I've started putting eyeliner in my lash line, waterline, and it's definitely changed things for the better, to the point where my dad the other day asked me if I had contacts in. Baba! No, I don't, but thank you for saying so, appreciate that. Fun fact, I used to hate having blue eyes. I thought they were really boring. That sounds so pygmy. But I did, I used to think they made my face features look really, like, sharp. It's one of those things though, girls, do you know what I mean? Like, the grass is always greener. I'm sure if I didn't have blue eyes, I'd probably think, oh, should I have blue eyes? It's just one of those things. It's just one of those days. Something when I have fun, whatever it is. I don't know. Max having a sing along to something or other. He's such a queen. Max, if you're watching this, you are so epic. Max is warming his vocals up for karaoke tonight. I hope he slays the house down boots, respectfully, obviously. He's so slay. I feel like this channel's becoming like a Max Hatfield fan account. Does anyone else ever have this? I've had this my whole life. Sometimes I'll look at Max or I'll look at a particular person and I'll have a real sobering moment where I think, A, you're a real person, B, your name is blah blah blah, we'll use Max as an example. I think A, you're a real person, B, your name is Max, C, you're my brother, and you're actually existing physically right in front of me right now, living and breathing. I think that is wild. But I only get it sometimes and it will like hit me. It's not like a gradual build up. I'll just be looking at him and I'll suddenly just get hit with this realisation that he does exist. And there he is. And he's related to me. Related to me. I've had it in relationships as well, where I look at them and I think, oh my god, you're my boyfriend, and your name is whatever, and you're physically right in front of me. Weird. Right, I've pretty much finished my makeup. As you can see, my towel has been just gradually falling off this entire time, so that's been cute. I don't know what to wear tonight. I didn't really, because I only had hand luggage coming out here, because obviously Mum lives here, so I didn't need to bring like heaps of toiletries or anything. But now I don't really have any clothes, so I don't really know what to wear. And Mum's getting her nails done, so I can't even like go and rummage through her stuff. I don't really bring any tops right now. Well, I'm gonna figure it out, give my hair a brush, but this is the makeup. Anyway, I'm gonna get dressed. Sorry, I'll see you on the flip. I hate myself. Wednesdays, this is the final fit. So I've got these trousers that Dad keeps saying, why wear my pyjama bottoms? Dad, it's scanny fashion, you wouldn't get that. From Cotton On. I got these on sale, these were half price, these were a tenner. Yes. Then this cutesy top. I'm worried it's too blue on blue. Thoughts on that? It'll be too late by that point, but still I'll be. This is Mum's top, I don't know where it's from, probably somewhere out here, but the sleeves are fun though. Needed. Anyway, and I've just brushed my hair. Well, I haven't actually because I don't know where the brush is, but I'm hoping that this is going to dry not super crazy, but oh, it feels grim. Eek. But this is the final look, and then I'm just going to wear my flippy flops. Probably just put a bit of red lip balm on, because I'm not being funny, I'm on Hollywood, so I'm not doing a full face, do you know what I mean? But anyway, thank you so much for watching my kind of weird and silly, chatty, summer, glowy, fun, cutesy cute Cyprus get ready with me. I look awful, oh my gosh. I look alright if I'm really far away and it's dark and you squint. Anyway, have the best night. I'm gonna go find a karaoke now.